contends against the fact that Ali ibn Abi Talib was the best of the best after the Prophet? Who can contend against that? They're saying he is. But historically he's the fourth Khalifa. What can we do about it now? Now, I say we have a right to be objective, but we will not be disrespectful. We can objectively discern history, but we cannot be disrespectful. This is wrong. This is not what Ali ibn Abi Talib has taught us. If we belong to Ali ibn Abi Talib, the people in Siffin, when they were fighting against the forces of Muawiyah, when they began to abuse Muawiyah, Imam Ali said, keep your tongues clean. They said he is worthy of abuse. Imam said, your tongues are worthy of being kept clean. Imam said, talk with them, admonish them about the truth, so that they can come to the truth, and so that you can have the decisive argument with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is the mentality of the Imam. This is how the Imam is, not the way we have made him to be. Are we even following the Imam that we say we are following? The Khalifa of Allah is meant to unite people of diversity, to bring them to their completion. We have made the Khalifa of Allah, the greatest one after the Prophet, a point of division amongst the Muslims. Where have we gone? The 12th Imam, when he comes, you know the hadith, yes? That he will retrieve Torah and Injil and rule upon the people of the Torah with their Torah, Injil with their Injil, Quran with their Quran. And his grandfather has become a point for the division of the Muslims themselves. How strange is this? That the 12th one will come and bring about a harmonious collective existence between people belonging to diverse Abrahamic faiths. And his own grandfather is a point for the division of the people who follow Muhammad Rasulullah. Doesn't that beg a question that something has gone wrong somewhere? What about the verse of the Quran? الَّذِينَ فَرَّقُوا دِينَهُمْ وَكَانُوا شِيَعًا لَسْتَ مِنْهُمْ فِي شَيْءٍ. O Muhammad, those people who divided their religion and became small parties, you are nothing to do with them. The Khalifa of Allah is there to bring about the beauty of one and all of God's creatures in accordance with their own limitations, allowing them to harmoniously coexist and to evolve. This was the role of Ali ibn Abi Talib, of course. The Khalifa is supposed to look at the aptitudes of the people and bring about fruition of goodness, not a point of division. It's not the role of the Khalifa. If Ali ibn Abi Talib salamullah alayhi was here today, I don't think he would care for Sunni or Shia. Really? I don't even think he would care for Muslim and non-Muslim. He is that lofty. He is that lofty. As his brother and his Habib, Prophet Muhammad, constructed an ummah of the Muslims, Jews, Christians and pagans, and designated his brother Ali as the father of that ummah, Ali ibn Abi Talib, if he was here today, he would be appealing to humanity at large.